Let's solve this question together. It says x plus y is 10, x squared plus y squared is 143. We are required to find the value of x cubed plus y cubed, okay? Now this is a SASMO Olympiad question, so let's solve it. The first thing to do here is we can say that x plus y all raised to the power of 2 is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, okay? If you're expanding, this is what you get, because this is equal to x plus y multiplied by x plus y. X times x is x squared, x times y is xy, plus x times y plus y times x is xy, so that's 2xy, and then you have y times y is y squared. All right, so this is still equal to this. Continuing from here, we can say that this becomes x plus y all raised to the power of 2 to be equal to, we can collect this as x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. All right, now we can now say that therefore x squared plus y squared is equal to x plus y all squared minus 2xy. Okay, now our x squared plus y squared is 143 to be equal to our x plus y all squared is 10 squared, okay, minus 2xy, which is unknown. Now from here we have that 143 is equal to 100 minus 2xy. From here we have that 2xy will be equal to 100 minus 143. Okay, so 2xy is equal to 100 minus 143. Invariably, 2xy will be equal to negative 43. Hence, xy will be equal to negative 21.5. Okay, but then recall that what we are required to find was x cubed plus y cubed. We can express this to be equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared, and this follows from the law of difference of two cubes. Continuing from here, we have that our x cubed plus y cubed becomes equal to our x plus y is 10, our x squared plus y squared is 143, minus our xy is minus 21.5, and minus times minus is plus, so we have 21.5 here. All right, now from here we have that this is equal to 110 into 164.5, hence this becomes equal to 1645. Okay, so this becomes the correct answer to this given question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.